Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. The name of my channel is Igbo Academy and my name is Chema. Today we are going to talk about lexical vocabularies in Igbo language. Culture can be preserved if the language of the people is preserved. Preservation of language must both be in spoken and written form. You can't say you're preserving a language by only speaking it. No, you have to write it down. You have to write things down for the future generations to see, or for the future generations to learn from. The language must include the various fields and disciplines of life. So in every field and every discipline of life, you must have a language for different or various fields. To produce Igbo books on these fields, it is necessary to produce lexical vocabularies in Igbo language. This implies fashioning Igbo terminologies for their foreign counterparts. The following are the new terminologies as agreed by the Standardization Committee of the Society for Promoting Igbo Language and Culture. So these are some of the lexical vocabularies and their Igbo counterpart, their English counterparts. Like in English, you have photography. Photography is called photo. Photography, photo. Word is called onumara. Word, onumara. Kota, aboji. Kota, aboji. Library, ụlọ ndekọ akwụkwọ. Library, ụlọ ndekọ akwụkwọ. School, ụlọ akwụkwọ. School, ụlọ akwụkwọ. Duster, nchicha. Duster, nchicha. Eraser. Duster, nhicha. Duster, nhicha. Eraser, nchicha. Eraser, nchicha. Chalk, nzu. Chalk, nzu. Padlock, igodo. Padlock, igodo. Key, ntughe. Key, ntughe. Written composition, edemede. Written composition, edemede. Oral composition, akomako. Oral composition, akomako. Literature, agumago. Literature, agumago. File, obo akwụkwọ. File, obo akwụkwọ. Beach, ikpere mmiri. Beach, ikpere mmiri. Civil service, ọrụ bekee. Civil service, ọrụ bekee or ọrụ oyibo. Life imprisonment, nga mkpụrụ ọka. Life imprisonment, nga mkpụrụ ọka. Kick the car, gbozie ụgbọ. Kick the car, gbozie ụgbọ. Pumpkin, anyụ. Pumpkin, anyụ. Contract, ọrụ ngo. Contract, ọrụ ngo. Street, okporo. Street, okporo. Road, iro. Road, iro. Way, ụzọ. Way, ụzọ. Pathway, warawara ụzọ. Pathway, warara ụzọ. Pathway, warara ụzọ. Manure, abụbọ. Manure, abụbọ. Urine, mammiri, urine, mammiri, going to toilet, ije mposi, going to toilet, ije mposi, breakfast, nri ụtụtụ, breakfast, nri ụtụtụ, lunch, nri ehihie, lunch, nri ehihie, dinner, nri anyasị, dinner, nri anyasị, room, mkpụrụ, room, mkpụrụ, mkpụrụ, paint, etite, paint, etite, painting, ntente, painting, ntente, color, agwụgwa, color, agwụgwa, season, oge afọ, season, oge afọ, saint, onye dị asọ or onye dị nsọ, saint, onye dị asọ or onye dị nsọ, Saint Peter, Peter dị asọ or Peter dị nsọ, Saint Peter, Peter dị asọ or Peter dị nsọ, matches, mkpọọkụ, matches, mkpọọkụ, summer, ọkọchị, summer, ọkọchị, spring, udu mmiri, spring, udu mmiri, autumn, ụgụrụ nta, autumn, ụgụrụ nta, winter, ụgụrụ ukwu, winter, ụgụrụ ukwu, river, osimiri, river, osimiri, stream, iyi, stream, iyi, sea or ocean, ehere mmiri, sea or ocean, ehere mmiri, island, agwa etiti, island, agwa etiti, lake, ezu, lake, ezu, moto, ụgbọala, moto, ụgbọala, train, ụgbọ okporo igwe, train, ụgbọ okporo igwe or ụgbọ oloko, aeroplane, ụgbọelu, aeroplane, ụgbọelu, ship, ụgbọ mmiri, ship, ụgbọ mmiri, canoe, ụgbọ amara, canoe or boat, ụgbọ amara, signboard, ụgbọ ngosi, signboard, ụgbọ ngosi, plantation, ubi, plantation, ubi, shop, ụlọ akụ, shop, ụlọ akụ, bank, ụlọ ego, bank, ụlọ ego, steel, igwe ike, steel, igwe ike, iron, igwe nro, iron, igwe nro, leprosy, ahụ ọcha or ekpenta. Leprosy, ahụ ọcha or ekpenta. Smallpox, kitikpa. Smallpox, kitikpa. I remember when you're angry with someone, you're like, kitikpa bakwage eba. Kitikpa bag. So kitikpa is smallpox. Smallpox, kitikpa. Epilepsy, akụkụ. Epilepsy, akụkụ. Convulsion, dimgba or ihe elu. Convulsion, dimgba or ihe elu. Cough, ụkwara. Cough, ụkwara. Whooping cough, ntiriri. Whooping cough, ntiriri. Rheumatism, agba. Rheumatism, agba. Toothache, amahia. Toothache, amahia. Tuberculosis, ụkwara nta. Tuberculosis, ụkwara nta. Pneumonia, ihe mgbu or ihe akụkụ. Pneumonia, ihe mgbu or ihe akụkụ. Lion, ọdụm. Lion, ọdụm. Leopard, agụ. Leopard, agụ. Parrot, ichoku. Ichoku. Parrot, ichoku. Ostrich, enyi nnụnụ. Ostrich, enyi nnụnụ. Nursery rhymes, egwu okuku nwa. Nursery rhymes, egwu okuku nwa. Lullaby, egwu ụra. Lullaby, egwu ụra. Tongue twister, okwu ntụghe. Tongue twister, okwu ntụghe. Etiquette, omume ọma. Etiquette, omume ọma. Sentence patterns, ụdị ahịrịokwu. Sentence patterns, ụdị ahịrịokwu. First son or daughter, ọkpara or ada. First son or daughter, ọkpara or ada. Second child, ulu. Second child, ulu. Third child, ebari. Third child, ebari. Degree, nzere. Degree, nzere. Certificate, asambodo. Certificate, asambodo. Parlor, ifuru. Parlor, ifuru. Kitchen, usekwu. Kitchen, usekwu. Advertisement or advertisement, amamokwa ahịa. Amamokwa ahịa. Advertisement, amamokwa ahịa or amamokwa ọrụ. Switch on, gbape. Switch on, gbape. Tomorrow, echi. Tomorrow, echi. Yesterday, ụnyaahụ. Yesterday, ụnyaahụ. before, tupu or tutu, before, tupu or tutu, until, ruo or tutu or ruo, until, tutu or ruo, page of a book, ibe akwụkwọ, page of a book, ibe akwụkwọ, leaf of a book, page of a book, ihu akwụkwọ, page of a book, ihu akwụkwọ, leaf of a book, ibe akwụkwọ, leaf of a book, ibe akwụkwọ, imprisonment, nga, imprisonment, nga, life imprisonment, nga mkpụrụ ọka, life imprisonment, nga mkpụrụ ọka, prison, ụlọ nga or ụlọ mkpọrọ, prison, ụlọ nga or ụlọ mkpọrọ. Not, that's or zero, is efu. We learned that one in our honor book. Not or zero is efu. Addition, mgbakọ, addition, mgbakọ. Subtraction, mwepụ, subtraction, mwepụ. Division, okike, division, okike. Fraction, mpekele, fraction, mpekele. Height, elu, height, elu. Length, ogologo, length, ogologo. Width, uhie, width, uhie. English, bekee or oyibo, English, bekee. If you say onye bekee, olu bekee, onye bekee is a white person, an English person. Olu bekee is an English word. So anytime you hear bekee or oyibo, no, you're talking about English. European, onye bekee or onyocha, European, onye bekee or onyocha. Bar of soap, akancha, bar of soap, akancha. Box of matches, mkpọ ọkụ, box of matches, mkpọ ọkụ. Box of books, akpati akwụkwọ, box of books, akpati akwụkwọ. Goal, ọkpụ, goal, ọkpụ. Amen is ise. You see when Igbo people are praying, Igadio, ise, that means amen. They'll be telling you that you live long, you say ise. Ise means amen. And when they want to, they bring kola nut and start blessing it and start praying. People's response will be ise. You'll be saying, why don't they just say amen? Or it means the same thing. Once you hear ise, you know that the person is saying amen. Amen, ise. Making a will, ike ekpe. Making a will, ike ekpe. Door, mbo, door, mbo. Room, mkpuru, room, mkpuru. I've said you will not marry. Sword, opio, sword, opio. Shrine, ekumo, shrine, ekumo. Wall, egwe, wall, egwe. Sorry, ndo, sorry, ndo. excuse, biko, excuse, biko. Week, izu, week, izu. Area, mbasara, area, mbasara. Minute, nkeji, minute, nkeji. Second, second or tintin, second, tintin or second. Lamp or lantern, utukbe, lamp or lantern, utukbe. Culture, emereme, culture, emereme. Positive, okwe, positive, okwe. Negative, ọjụ, negative, ọjụ. Custom, omenala, custom, omenala. Omenala ndị Igbo. That's the custom of the Igbo people. Omenala. Tradition, ọdịnala, tradition, ọdịnala. Institution also is ordinala. So when they say omenala and ordinala, it means the custom and tradition of people. So whenever you see omenala or ordinala, you should be able to say what it means. So that will be all for the lexical vocabularies in English, in Igbo language. So you've known some of these things. With this, we are good to go in our intermediary stage of the Igbo Academy lessons. Thank you very much and do have a nice day. Kemesia, God bless ya.